Ngetho cia mwanya muno we mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV na ngagikugeithia na ngeithi cia mwanya muno na makiria we mwiroreri wa tabarira ya Mwihang'Iri ngagikugeithia na ngakihoka ati kiumia gyaku no gikoretwo gikiga na gikoretwo na ihinda riega na ni kiumia kenge na ni haria tugiukaga hawa tabarira-ini ya Mwihang'Iri na niguo tugaikoro tukiingira tabarira-ini no na niguo tugaikoro tugithii gathabari gatiganite na Mwihang'Iri witu wa kiume agagitutirithia thabari yake kuma haria akiumite nginyanagia haria agikinyite na toria muikoyo akiugire ati kana ndatigaga kana utamerithitie ndatigaga kuhanda nikio na ithu tutigitithietie no tugithiete na mbere na gutigirira ati ni twagithana na Mwihang'Iri witu niguo agikorwo agitutirithia gathabari gake kamwanya na umuthi tukiri guku kaunti-ini ya Kiambu guku ni itura ria Thika town na ni kiharo-ini gia cukuru wa Equita High na kuria gukiri na monanio manene makiria ma Wonjoria orondumwe na mathomo matiganite na umuthi ni tugikorwo tugicemania na Wonjoria matiganite aria magikorwo magitwarana kana tugikiaraniria nao magitutirithia gathabari gao magitutariria ni atia mekaga na kana magitutariria nginyanagia hau magikinyite koguo mwirori wa Muthingi TV ndekenda gukunyita ugeni na njira ya mwanya muno niguo tugikorwo tukiaraniria na Mwihang'Iri witu wa mbere wa muthenya wa umuthi uria ni umwe wa aria mekinyitie guku mathomo-ini ma kiharo-ini giki kia Equita High.
Hapa kazi tu yo yo. 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 Hapa kazi tu yo yo.
Na nima uyu niwe Mwihang'Iri witu na ndirakenda agikorwo agitutithia na ndakiona ni mwega muno arutaga akinjira ndimwite Uji House ndirakenda tukimenyana nake wega na agitutaririe ni atia ekaga. Karibu sana.
Thank you.
Yes, ndakenda utwambiririe na ritwa riaku na ni wira uriku urutaga.
Hamarĩtwa njĩtagwo Margaret Mwihaki na nyendagia ucuru kundu gwĩtagwo Thika town. Ucuru wa power niguo andu metaga Uji power no ithuĩ tũwĩtaga Uji mix.
Okay, Uji na tutanathie kula kana tutanagithie muno ri nigukienda hiyo gitutaririe tondu no akiuga Uji power na aria angi kana wakiuga kuri mawĩtaga Uji power. What's the difference kana utiganu ni uriko no ucuru uri ungi?
Utiganu wa ucuru no ucuru uri ungi ni atiriri turenda andu macokerere njira ciao cia tene koguo ni ucuru urahuthira indo cia kwenja mugunda tutiuruga na muiko kana na thaburia tuoyaga mwanga nduma tugacitherukia njugu karanga tukaruga uria irugagwo na irenge tukaritherukia tugacoka tugaci blend hamwe na iria koguo hatire handu turaruga kindu kiu na mwaki koguo nutrients cia kindu kiu ciri ngima o uria ciumire mugunda.
Yes, na kana tutanagithie muno ri ni guku uguo na ni kuria mugugi ukite monanio uguo ma Wonjoria we hihi ni kinya kana ni kiguguceirie wakiwa hihi onania kingikinyia kuria no ko hihi hari o kaundu nguona
kiria gitumire njuke ni gukorwo wira uyu ti mukuru no wira utaikarite muno na ni ngwenda gukona ni kuwendia na kwendia ritwa ria Kasavana especially Thika town na matura maria mothe marigiceirie.
Koguo we ukoragwo kana ukoragwo we based hari urutagira wira waku?
Tukoragwo Thika town nyumba itagwo JFK Center first floor na nyumba iyo ithutha wa Githito building.
Na riu ndirakenda tugiuke wira-ini waku wega. Okay, no tuke kwaria maingi no ndirakenda riu tugiuke haha wira-ini waku wega. Wakirire ati ukiuga he na ngakawira gaka gacuru ni kararia reke nyambie ko wakirire uguo kiambia atia?
Kiria giatumire nyende wira uyu ni gukorwo ni nyendete ucuru na ndananyua ucuru uyu hindi ingi ukingenia gicoka haria ndathia kunyua ucuru ucio ngikora riu andu acio ni mahingite ngigua ndaga kiria ngwendaga ngimenya ndiriika hari andu angi nao magire kiria mekwendaga nikio ndeciria kwambiriria kuruga ucuru uyu na ngakorwo ni ndiuhigireire tondu ni fundithitio ni thomithitio ngamenya kuruga uria wagiriire.
Koguo togukira uguo kiuga kionani nyambiririe biacara o tari angi ni kaundu wonire kana agithondeka mweke ukiuga nawe ni kuruga naguo?
Aca togukira ndakirire uguo ni ndonete
na ndangiona we Mwonjoria kweria iko we ni kuhota kuonaga chance kauguo no agakiruga nako na ihenya uga wira uyu waku urutete kwa ihinda igana ate?
Wira uyu ndirutete kwa ihinda iraihu. Aca ndirutete ihinda iraihu
na okay no nyende tugitwire kana for either 1 month 2 months kana mieri igana uguo na no aikorwo agitariria wega ndona ni wira mwega muno eko ndukoretwo ikarite ihinda ya na hari ukinyite ndona ni uguthi kuraihu ndigwenda ututariria ati hihi woga ni uthomeire Koguo ndurendekana ati tuno kuingira wira uguo ni urenda gukorwo na skills itiganite.
No nginya uthomere, no nginya ubundithio ni mundu uwi kuruga nigetha uhote nawe kunengera customer kindu kiega.
Haya, na ndirakenda kana kuringana na hari ukinyite kwa ihinda riu urutite wira waku, urona customer aku mugitwarithania nao atia?
Customer kwa ni turatwarithania o wega, he aria moka nduka-ini na ni tutwaraga na nja.
Koguo mutikoragwo ati situated handu hamwe uguo, ko ni mukwenderia haria murutagira na mugatwara nginya order cia nja.
Ni tutwaraga orders kinya cia nja tondu twa ucuru mutheri, kwina nginya matunda, kwina juice, kwina hibiscus, kwina dawa, hena ngwaci na nduma, tondu muoroto witu ni gucokia andu njira iria ciari cia tene.
Ni ngwenda gukuria kiuria kimwe, ni njiguaga andu makigweta ngogu ati curu ni wa ciana. Ndikioi we woni waku ni uriku, and especially kuringana na uria wagitutariria curu waku na wagitutariria gitumi kia witwo Uji Power. Ndikio hihi woni waku ni uriku na uga waku ni uriku kuri customer na aria meciragia hihi ati curu ni wa ciana?
Gitumi kia ucuru wira
twi barabara-ini tugitwikania ngongo na ngongo gutigirira we mwiroreri witu wa tabarira ya ikumbiri ya umatho ni twakurehera utaukiru thiini wa biacara. Ino ni tabarira ya ikumbiri ya umatho iria turi kurehagira muthenya wa gatatu kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 3 cia utuku guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema, nani ngikurehera ngetwo Muthoni wa Wambugu Nyarari.
Mithako marefeta nyimbo cia unduire tucunjĩ twa Bibilia nyitanagira nani MC Hajemo o juma kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia kiroko, tugathoma, tugakena na tugacanjamũka.
Don't ever touch my I let the beat fly, Roberto. Oh yeah, it's a brotherhood thing. It's a brotherhood thing. La 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 la. My name is Splinter. Oh, have you seen my so sweet and fine like she comes in the morning.
Thank you muno, na ndirakenda riu tugikorwo tukinyitanira na mwihang'iri witu ungi nake uria kana ugikinyitie guku monanio-ini ma Wonjoria, na ndugakiriganirwo ni umwe wa aria marugamirire kana marugamirire mihango ino, na iho ndirakenda riu tukinyitanire nake niguo agitwire etagwo ati arutaga wira uriku na uria makinyitanire na Wonjoria angi matiganite. Karibu sana.
Thank you. Kwa majina naitwa Sir Paul, the CEO and the founder Megahertz Audiovisual Limited, and kazi yetu mainly ni tuna deal na sound. We provide sound to the events like this one, this one of Smart Business Kenya Chapati Festive Thika edition, and mimi ni one of the sponsor and I'm a sponsor this event here in Thika, and mainly kazi yetu ni provide sound to all the event around Kenya, and kurent out the stage and the stage lights. Yeah.
Na no gikorwo ugitutariria ati we urutaga ama hu unafanya kazi kwa sound. Sijui labda ulianza hii kazi yako wakati upi?
Kwa industry nimekuwa for more than 10 years. Megahertz imekuwa for more than 10 years. Tukiprovide sound to events, to dowries, weddings, and even corporate events. Tumezifanya for 10 years.
Vipi ama ukasema ni vizuri pia nishikiliane ama nishirikiane na wanabiashara wengine kwa hii mafunzo ya leo hapa ambayo inaongozwa ama inajiita Smart Business Kenya?
The purpose of this event ni network. tujuane kibiashara, tujue mtu anafanya biashara gani. That's the reason niliamua kuja kusell out my brand today, na ndio maana tuko hapa.
Ningependa tu uweze kutuelezea labda kidogo ni event haswa zipi ama customers wenyu na ambao huwa mnalenga zaidi ni wapi?
Tuna specific customer ambao tunalenga, but everybody is a customer in our business because ours ni services tuna provide. Whether you have a small event ama event yako ni kubwa, tuna provide kulingana na your event.
Event kama ya birthday, kama ya
birthday tuna provide, harusi tuna provide, burial tuna provide, kwa makanisa tuna provide, branding ya corporate tunafanya pia. We are not limited.
Na kwa sababu kuna mtu anakutazama pale hivi na labda angependa kujua huyu mtu nitampata vipi ama hii kampuni ya Megahertz tutaipata vipi?
Tuko na namba za simu ambazo unaweza tupata 0724 613 217. Narudia tena 0724 613 217. Tuko across all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, zote tuko under Megahertz Audiovisual Limited. Na bado tuko mahali kunaitwa Mwangi, that is within Thika region, mahali kunaitwa Gatundu North. Mostly na deal na vijana, niko na photographers ambao ni vijana, niko na DJs ambao ni vijana, na niko na technicians ambao ni vijana. And one thing to the youth, we come out of our comfort zone. Makazi ziko, we will just be creative.
Rock music.
Yes, just go there where that camera is.
Yeah, you
no.
You do the catwalk first.
Yes, from there.
Guy, wewe na mudu.
Oh.
Charming music.
Yeah, you catwalk.
Bus.
Yes, that's the music. I'm an orphan. She's not a sponsor. Hata sijasikia kitu, mbatia microphone. That song says God is good all the time, and all the time, and we should celebrate as a community when one of us wins.
I apologize for not speaking in Swahili. I hope my dancing somewhat made up for it. I'll speak very slowly and clearly. So I am Caitlin Siandel. I am the co-founder and CEO of Kungana Technology, and our product is Kuza. You can see us here. I personally have been working with small businesses in East Africa since 2017. I've been working with small businesses in Uganda as well as in Kenya. And you guys are a market I'm very passionate about because I think that this is really the prime way for you guys to make a lot of money. And I want you guys to make a lot of money through having healthy businesses. Because of this, my company, we have a phone app called Kuza that helps you manage your business all from your personal Android device. You can record your sales, you can manage your stock, you can record your expenses, you can manage your employees. So even if you're not in your shop, you can see what's going on in real time, all from your phone. You guys can get reports. So we work with ISPAC certified accountants. So all of your reports in your phone are accurate. You can see your stock report, sales, expense, profit and loss. And we're very affordable.
This one we need a Luya song, please. If we have one in the house.
Murembe boss.
Bas.
Murembe te.
Yes.
Murembe sua.
Yeah.
Murembe khandi. Murembe mia. Murembe prrr. Weka ngoma DJ. Chudumu.
to represent Newborn's Closet. We are a baby shop in Thika town. Hapo tu ukiwa Safaricom, opposite there's a blue building, second floor. We deal with all newborn and maternity essentials. So kama uko na kamutu kanakuja, we are the people to go to. We will guide you, first time moms especially. Mkiwa na baby shower, please talk to us. Tutawasort na packages on discounted prices. Also, if you just want to get a gift for a family or a friend, talk to us. Tutakupea very nice things. Alafu, hata kama huna kamutu na unataka kumanifest, kujia socks.
I'm part of a women's group, and last week we register a company, the income company. The PIN for the income. So, how am I affected as an individual? Do I still file nil?
The company is an independent body. So if you are a shareholder of that company, you will still be required to file your return even if the company is filing, because the company is filing the return as company.
Anima otoria nake gikuyu akiugire ati mutwe kana ngingo ndikiri yakiagarara mutwe na nikio ndirakienda niguo tukinyitanire na umwe wa aria makihariririe igongona riri na amwe aria magikoragwo magitongoria kana magitereba gikundi giki na kiria gikihariririe igongona riri ria mwanya ria Monanio ma Wonjoria na makiria kuma Wonjoria agitarukia Mount Kenya. So ndirakienda tukinyitanire nake niguo
Hamare twajitagwo Lilian ruguru wa Kang'ao na nini moderator wa gikundi giki gya Smart Business Kenya. Mutongoria Victoria munene tagwo Dennis Gathae aka Denoa Shikamoo, niwe founder wa gikundi giki gya Smart Business Kenya. Na Smart Business Kenya ni gikundi gya Facebook kou niko twacemanirie na andu aria othe me gikundi-ini giki ni andu aria makoragwo me biacara-ini nini na tutibaguaga ni biacara muthemba uriku rutaga. Koguo kwina aria mekaga biacara cia kwendia nguo, iratu, wigs, beauty products, andu deliveries, tandie kambuni yakwa ikaga deliveries. We are a whole congregation ya andu a biacara nini. Gikundi giki kianjirie way back in 2018 na kuma 2021 haria covid yathirire ni tukoragwo na events teno yo muthi and they adapt Chapati Festival. Function stage ikoragwo itucemanie twarie horo wa biacara tumaniririe tondu biacara rimwe ni rituhaga muno, tuheane ideas, tuthake, tukene na tumenyane makiria. Na twacetire Chapati Festival tondu founder witu endete cabaci muno. Koguo the first event ari nayo arehire andu hamwe and they had lunch. Na when he decided to go the nabere na hold functions ici ori ori aria cietaga, he came up with the word Chapati Festival. Koguo all through we adopted it as a Chapati Festival event.
Na hihi mukiambiriria gikundi giki kia SBK ni motive iriku kana hihi lengo yari iriku haswa?
Lengo itu yari o imwe tu ya kurehe andu aria me biacara-ini nini hamwe, andu aria maranjia biacara tondu bururi-ini witu gutire organization welcomeaga andu aya me guku thi. Ona waigua kwina cio irabatara regi registration ya membership amwe itu tutangi afford. Koguo ithue tuonire tuke hamwe oguo turi anini group yo kuingira there is no registration. Goka event teno turihaga 500 shillings. Koguo niko marehe andu aya the young people aria marageria kuingira biacara-ini matangi afford maundu manene hamwe. Top resources icio ciao nyingi 500 cirehetwo ni andu ta 400 igatuika enough cia kuhota ona kuriha professionals. Tariu muthe ni tuma na andu a KRA tukahota kuriha ringi mutarani wa uria mukuika mathabu manyu. Koguo lengo ritu riari guteithia andu aria me in small businesses, tutiari na lengo ingi.
Na no gikorwo gitutariria mamwe ma marengo maria mwakire na mukiambiriria gikundi giki ndikio hihi no ukihutiririe kana hihi ni mukoretwo mugikinyaniria mamwe ma matarajio ma gikundi-ini giki?
Yes, actually gikundi giki gikianjia ri apa nginya last year ri tureitaga Small Business Kenya no twacoka twaikara twerorera uria andu barathi na mbere biacara ciao igitheremaga igikuraga tureciria hihi tucenjie ritwa hanini twite Smart Business Kenya tondu nirona andu aya ni marahura biacara ciao in a smart way ugakora mundu ari online seller kidogo kidogo ni ahota kuhingura gatuka gake kanini koguo ni turona gikundi giki ni gukurite events cia mbere iria twekaga twakora na population ya andu ta 20 omothe you can clearly see twakuhi andu 500 koguo ni turekenera gukorwo tuhotete kumarehe hamwe na gukorwo ati ni metikirite mwito wito wa guka hamwe and they are doing wonders ni andu mareka maundu manene onage ukaigwa ni mashinda awards like some other day netura celebrate gomwe witu ashidete awards cia ongoza koguo it is we are achieving our dreams and our goals
na no ikorwo kihutiriria mamwe ma magongona maria mugikoretwo mugitabania ndikio hihi no kihutie ta meri uguo na hihi riria wakionire ria gikorwo riri ria iguru wega
mwaka witu thini wa Smart Business Kenya ukoragwo bangitwo kuma April chapati festivals cirikagwo kuma April nginya June na ciekagwo in regions koguo tari mwaka uyu this is our last one netwanjirie Ruiru tugithie Gongu Rogai Naikuru Wayakiwe and riu twarikiriria guku twarikia na chapati festival in August netugakorwo na event it will be our first ya charity turenkarire turona ni wega ku give back kuri society koguo mweri wenana nitugakorwo tugithie gucera children's home ogetha na ciana icio it is a way of giving back to the society October naguo nitukoragwo na festival itagwo yogurt festival iyo nawe koragwo ya kurehe andu aria me biacara-ini cia urimi hamwe aria mekaga production ya yogurt mala na hindi magakorwo na ihinda ria kuonania ujuzi wao na uria marutaga mawira mwisho wa mwaka nitukoragwo na the biggest event itagwo summit riu summit ikoragwo ituke looking like the CEOs we are tugaikara thi tukadine professionally tukarerio ni professionals koguo that is the last event iria tuhigagira mwaka witu thini wa gikundi gia Smart Business Kenya na nitukurite bulse tondu we are even getting sponsors andu marona uria tureka kuja na magetikira kunyitanira na ithwe na magato sponsor nigetha tukahota guthi na mbere kuria gikundi ta giki so we are a winning team.
Haso muhimu jo, janta muhimu jo, wase wa ghetto daily tujitume man, mama wa chapo kinyozi man, yeah, hasla wa dago na nduthi man, eh.
Haso muhimu jo, janta muhimu, wase wa ghetto daily tujikaze, mama wa chapo kinyozi man, hasla wa dago na nduthi man, nasema haso muhimu, janta muhimu, wase wa ghetto daily tujikaze, mama wa chapo kinyozi man, hasla wa dago na nduthi man. Paka